Hi, little artists! Are you ready for a colorful adventure? Today, we're going to draw and color a super cool iPhone using all the colors of the rainbow. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers and let's get started. First, let's draw the iPhone's shape. Start by drawing a tall rectangle. This will be the body of our iPhone. Make sure your lines are nice and straight. Now, let's draw the camera area at the top left corner of the iPhone. Inside the small rectangle, let's draw 3 big circles and 2 small circles. These are the cameras and sensors that help us take amazing pictures and videos. What's an iPhone without the Apple logo? Let's draw the Apple logo right in the center of the big rectangle. Now, let's make our iPhone stand out by going over all our lines with a bold black marker. This will make our drawing look super cool. Awesome job! Looking fantastic! Now comes the fun part, coloring. Let's use rainbow colors to make our iPhone look amazing. Grab your color pens and let's color together. Maroon color. Purple color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color.
Awesome!
Great job, everyone! Wow, look at that! Your rainbow iPhone looks fantastic! If you had fun drawing and coloring with us today, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and come back for more creative fun! See you next time, little artists! Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video.